Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we're going to discuss abnormal pad wear. And when we talk about abnormal pad wear, we're talking about the brake pad wear. As we can see here, we see this brake pad, there's plenty of meat left on it. Let's put that guy right there for now. And when we look at this one, well, we could see there's not that much left. And we can also see that the pad itself is not seized in the caliper bracket. Oh, let me pause the video real quick. Very good. So here's our pad right now, and we could see, oh yeah, they paid for the whole pad. That is most definitely a blonde sea hair left of pad life material. And when we look at the other one, you can see that there is a very big difference in pad life material. So let's look a little further. We know that it wasn't seized in the bracket. Check this pin out. This caliper bracket pin can move with no issues. This guy right here, completely seized. So what was happening here, the piston, when you apply the brakes, the piston gets pushed out, brings the caliper in, puts pressure on this side of the pad, while the piston puts pressure on this side of the pad, and they squeeze the rotor together to stop you, to turn that moving energy into thermal energy, into heat. And then it dissipates, and then the energy is gone. So when that all happened, it continued to put pressure on the outer pad even though you weren't pressing on the brake. And what happened? Well, it just kept on wearing the brake pad. Kept on wearing it, kept on wearing it. Didn't go metal to metal yet, but I found this during my multi-point inspection because the vehicle came in for a oil change service and a state inspection. Well, multi-point, we checked the brakes, and that's what we found. And upon further investigation, we found a seized pin. Very good. And if you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content, and now you know, and knowing is half the battle.